Now the part comes is like doing the hands-on part now. Now when it's hands-on session, obviously we need to understand what is required. Tell me which are the components we require to do when you want to go for the Selenium WebDriver here. Specifically, I'm targeting here Selenium WebDriver. I'm not targeting Selenium ID here because obviously Selenium ID is a separate component that I think is very easy for you to go and then do the testing of your site. But here my major, or we can say the main objective of this session is to go for Selenium WebDriver, which is supporting to the various browsers and the platform now. Which language? Obviously Python. So here the driver here installed is in the Python only. So what is required here is you require to have what the component or you can say the Python first. First thing is required a Python to be installed. The second thing is the Selenium driver. So let me show that practically, and also from where to do what, that also I'll tell you. Now we'll be using the Selenium WebDriver and Selenium API for automation testing. Before we do the testing, we need to understand that what the test automation means here. So let me tell you, test automation is for the automating something software tools where you want to run the test repeatedly. So here mostly the web automation testing we are talking about. So here a lot of things you want to do it test like we can say repeatedly, we can say regression testing, right? So if you want to test something repeatedly, go for web automation, or you can say automation testing itself. And I said about the Selenium is to automate the browsers, and that's what you are doing it now. So you are going to automate every step using the browser now. So again, the site which is available, that is seleniumhq.org. This is a site where you'll get the various thing about the various API part, and you may browse it and look at what exactly the Selenium HQ site is, and you may get all the things like the basic components and all available, and the various API for the Python. Let us see the important part here now, that is the Selenium WebDriver. Now having the Python Anaconda, see, let me tell you, it is not like mandatory to have Anaconda for a Selenium, but this is my preferable tool. Like I'm using it for all my Python scripting here. I find like here I can have everything on one notebook itself. So I can create the complete Selenium hands-on in one notebook here. So how to install? Very simple. In Python, we have a command called pip command, and there's one more command called easy_install command. These commands will help you to install the Selenium quickly. So you will not require to put any effort. You can install from command prompt also, like if you already installed the Python, maybe not in the Anaconda, but somewhere else, there you can just use a command pip install Selenium. That's it. Now remaining part will be done by the internet, and this package, the pip command itself will look for all the the link connected to this WebDriver then. So the first thing is like you should be having the Selenium which is to be installed first, and once you have Selenium installed, I'm not installing once again because I already have the already installed the Selenium here, and it takes certain times to install, and once you install, you can go for the next part then. What you should do after having the Selenium installed then. So let's say you already installed the Selenium. I will suggest you to go for testing it now. So here I'll show you, I'll just insert the one more cell here so that you can test it once you install the Selenium before we even write a script here. So one cell here I'm writing here now in the notebook, and showing you like how to check whether the Selenium is installed properly or not. So you can try to import the library that is Selenium. Now this is the library which is need to be tested first. So first you check whether I can import the Selenium or not. Okay, check it. If you can import, then check the dir and there's no error, it means you can go ahead and check the dir of Selenium. And here, why I'm looking for the dir? Dir is listing the various component, various classes which are written in the module Selenium here. Now, this is the Python model I'm talking about here. So this is developed using the Python. So this is the Python API. So let us see what the dir says now to us. dir says that it has some built-in attributes available, as well as there's a very important component called WebDriver.